Zero Waste Economy, Circular Economy Company. A waste action plan for a circular economy. A zero-waste economy is one in which reusing, repairing, and recycling, all the R's, but different R's than the traditional triad. It's a circular economy, and one that Ireland and the EU are striving to move towards. A circular or zero-waste economy is the green way to go. How does zero waste affect the economy? It will have several positive effects on the economy. Of particular importance will be the reduction in CO2 emissions. But it takes time to grow a tree. Take helium as an example. It is used for cooling the magnets that make a hospital MRI work. Without helium we don't have scanners. There are other resources that are also dwindling. A zero-waste, circular economy would keep those resources in circulation. An Irish circular economy would represent a profound change in economic thinking in this country. The new national waste policy will direct future waste infrastructure and management in Ireland. At CEC we are excited by this important commitment. And we are ready to do our bit by helping our clients achieve zero waste. Follow us on Twitter at CEC Ireland.